Hey, it's Valley Pop.
Hi.
I'm Jessica.
I'm Jay.
Jay, and we have 2 boxes. Pop in the box, as you can see. PIAB. That's okay. You want to open that one first? I know what they are, and I kind of just told him, even though he told me not to tell him. Do you want the knife? I got it.
Ta-da! I have a rough idea. I know it's Game of Thrones.
Oh yeah, you forgot which ones they were.
I just can't remember.
They had pops that were like not pre-orders that we needed.
So I'm gonna show you guys first.
Hopefully they're not all banged up.
Oh no, they're properly. Oh, I seen one. I love. Pulling him out first. Ooh.
It's not a bad box.
White Walker.
Remember my Captain Marvel box that was all punched to poop? See, this one's fine.
Yeah.
I'll show it.
And the other one.
White Walker. See, we have the Night King pops. We actually have 2. We have the glow in the dark and the normal. Now we have just a Walker. This is the one that you were trying to get me for Christmas.
What?
That one. In there. Not this one. The one that's in there still.
Oh, yeah. And I screwed it up.
Yeah, you did.
Yeah, I messaged a girl, named the wrong pop.
And then we got a duplicate pop. Which you gave to Kitty Sam's World. That's how we got their second Khal Drogo pop.
Drogon. I haven't even looked at
Mini dinosaur. Box is good again. See, popping box is usually good. I don't know what happened to my Captain Marvel. They were like, this pop sucks.
They screwed the pooch up.
And they axed it. They literally karate chopped her.
Screwed the pooch.
Look how pretty he is. We're definitely probably never going to be getting the others. Because I know Viserion and Rhaegal are hard to get. But yeah, this box is perfect.
More bull run.
Yay! Game of Thrones! I don't know where to put them, but yay! Here, let's put those there.
I'm very happy with that.
And then our last one, which is the one that everyone's been unboxing lately, and ours just came a little late. It actually came 3 weeks exactly. I messaged Pop in the Box once because it kept on taking a long time, and I was like, okay, so I messaged them, and they're like, you can't really complain. They were like, give it 3 weeks and then complain. So I was like, so now I always give it 3 weeks. And to be honest, it always takes exactly 3 weeks now. And ours don't, like, I know everybody says they come from England. Mine don't. Mine say Illinois on the packing slip.
Oh boy, I like this pop. Haha.
You know what it is. It's Lilo and Stitch, the exclusive. And I find their exclusives always come in good condition.
It's a little bouged.
The bottom, but who cares about the bottom? It's going to be sitting on its bottom.
Once you put...
I feel like...
Again, once you put it in a pop protector, it's going to straighten it
Superhero Stitch, which I already have the mini since I got the Hot Topics Lilo and Stitch box. Yeah. So I have the mini version of this, and now we have
the scented pineapple Stitch video.
We have the scented pineapple Stitch, and he hid it on me, and now it's not being displayed. Yeah. I got kind of mad because I was like, it's our only scented pop. Why would you hide that?
Oh, right into it.
Oh, I know why it's kind of bulging. It's like there's a stand for him, and it's kind of like, I don't know, pushing out. Yeah, I'm not going to open the Game of Thrones ones. I'm not really interested in touching them. You want to? Don't open the White Walker. Just open Drogon. Cool.
He's already been... He's puckered.
He's puckered? What does that mean? What is that?
I could open him easily.
See, look how low the stand is on this.
Oh yeah.
That's what was
way down.
Pushing. He is cute though. I like this one.
This is
I thought this was going to be my only Stitch pop, and then I ended up getting that scented Stitch from the Lilo and Stitch box. So I thought this was going to be it. His head moved. So he's wearing a bra. He's wearing Nanny's bikini top. And then I think it's like a blanket or something that he grabs in the movie, like from the laundry for his cape. But it is super cute.
You're beautiful, little guy.
We'll show that one off.
So,
you just like crush the box. With your butthole.
He's cute. He's got a little scales painted on him. He's very rough looking.
He's really rough looking.
He's a rough looking mold. I don't know if you can see it. There's like a plastic hair on him. It just doesn't look like it was sanded down as nice.
Oh, like you literally mean he's rough.
Yeah, like his plastic. I don't know if you guys can see that in there. A little rough, but he's an older pop. And
he is an older pop. Well, what it says on the top? Look at the box. Look at the bottom. Hey, look at the bottom of the box, please.
Okay, so the bottom of the box says 18.
last year. It's not that old.
Yeah, well. Look at.
They probably reprinted them. They just did a poor job. Is it from China or Vietnam? It's from China. It makes sense.
Yeah, oh well.
No offense, Chinese people.
China. Yeah,
apparently the
apparently
Vietnamese.
Vietnamese
This one's
do.
this one's made in Vietnam, and it has a beautiful paint job and everything.
Yeah.
So.
I hate to say
I like
it,
their new
but
sticker.
Yes, she is exactly correct.
And it's not just me saying that. People I've seen on Facebook say the same
It's-
thing. That the Vietnam pops have better paint jobs and stuff.
They're way better. Their box condition's a lot better.
I think I'm gonna put this one in here. I'm just gonna put that there. Where I had Captain Marvel. Okay. Stitchy can go on top. Oh. Everything falls.
I'm trying to destroy this box.
You want me to do it?
I got 'em-
Oh, he's in clipping?
no,
Oh, okay.
one of those. The non-clipping.
It's just dusty. But other than that, the boxes are pretty damn good shape.
I'm glad I got a White Walker.
Drogon's our favorite dragon anyways.
Yep.
That's it. Pop in a box.
Any thank yous you want to put up?
I don't know. Who do you want to thank?
They always ask me and I can't remember the names.
You want to thank Lady Days?
Lady Days.
Because she just did, I think she's doing it. I haven't even watched her video fully yet because I just got home from work.
I did.
Did you?
It was good. Yeah.
So it's a
Yeah.
contest, right?
Yeah,
That's
it
why.
was her and her hubby. Mr. Days.
Mr. Lady Days. Mr. Lady. Mr. Lady. But,
It was good.
yeah, so she's doing a contest, I think, for two different things. And then, like,
Yeah.
one thing, you go to the other person she shot at her video, and the other
Yes.
you go to our video.
Our video. And it's the box she's giving away. One of them is the Home Alone box.
That's for our video, right?
I'm not sure if that.
I can't remember.
I know that's one of the prizes, that's pretty cool.
That's
You get a
cool.
toque. You get a toque.
Not that too.
Not that toque, but you get a toque. And here in Canada, you need toques.
I don't know what they call them in the States. They don't call them toques. They call them hats.
I don't know I'm too old for that crap, but I almost
Toque.
have it. Beanies.
It's a toque with a Chesterfield.
Yeah. Get your man bun with your beanie on top.
Did you ever use the word Chesterfield? I did.
No.
I think I did. As a kid.
Chesterfield for what?
It's a couch.
Oh, yes. Okay, yeah.
The Chesterfield
Yeah.
is a couch. And I think I used to use that word as a kid.
What a stupid name for it.
I know, I don't know where it came from.
Sofa?
But I remembered, I think as a kid, I don't know if my grandparents used it. Is it an English word?
Probably, yeah.
Okay, 'cause my grandparents are English.
It would be like the one I said the other night, Papu and
Papu.
Yaya is Greek for mom and dad,
Okay.
or grandpa and grandpa. My parents always used
Nana and...
Nana and Papa,
Which is
and my
French.
grandfather was French.
Yeah.
So
See, I have a French grandmother, and but I never called her Nana. It was Grandma for both my grandmas. They didn't have. I did just call them both
she
the same.
didn't put up with crap though. I met her. She was a great.
Well, she probably was old. You're old. You have a grandmother that's still alive, and she's like 90 something.
Mm-hmm.
It's crazy.
Yep.
And she's in good shape. I met her, and I was like, "Whoa, that's your grandma." I was like,
Yeah. She's looking good for an old lady.
I don't know how we got two grandmas from Drogon and Lilo and Stitch.
Anyway,
Anyways,
we got another video coming up. So
well, we always do.
see you next time. Thanks,
And
guys.
if you're not already subscribed to Lady Days, which I don't know why you wouldn't be, I don't know how you would be subscribed to us and not her, but if you, for some other chance, you are, I'll link Lady Days down below.
Theatrical Pop Hunter. Another shout out. Quick one.
Yeah, I think he's just called Theatrical Pops.
Theatrical Pops.
Okay, well, whatever he's mentioning, I'll put below both him too. He's actually also Canadian.
Yeah.
In Ontario, somewhere. Probably around Toronto, because everyone's from Toronto but us. Hence the
We're
name
gonna
Valley
move to
Pop, just so you know.
Toronto,
I'm not moving to Toronto.
No. It's nice though.
No, I don't like it. Not to live in.
All right.
No offense, I just don't like big cities. There you go.
Yeah.
Not anymore, even though I'm from Ottawa. Bye.
Bye.
Randomness.